Hi Tube, bit updating again. Just went today and bought a new battery and 80 bucks, 2 years warranty, which is not too bad. And then I bought a second-hand vise for $25 today, big heavy one, might come handy. Anyway, the safety is gonna start today. Mainly what I have to do on this one, I have to sort all the wiring out because all the wiring is different between the different jags. So I have to rewire some of it and some of the gauges don't work, but safety will start. And the fuel tank got much crap in it, so not game enough to use the fuel tank on the back before I get all the fuel pumps sorted out. So I got the jerry can there and see if we can get the pump working. Pump working. And put the ignition on, and then I got a little starter button here because the relay is doesn't work for the starter mode, so I have to sort that problem out too. But it's a bit tepid noise where we try to dawn working off to run it a bit. Probably need new spark plug leads plus plugs. Probably make it run a bit more even and set the timing with the timing light. And I marked all the plugs with a little zip ties, number 1, number 2 and so on. Doesn't tell you to take it off and use it to find the right plug. It's just missing a bit on 1 or 2. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to start to sort wiring out. And today later on I'm going to see if I can get the white one started. So a bit of light on the tunnel. I'll see when you get the white one started up. There. Right. Sunny, yeah, we update a bit today. I got the motor out from this one. As you see, it was just a block. We're going to use the gearbox from this one, go onto that motor, and the motor and gearbox go back into the oven. And the only problem is that's carby, but I'll probably get the starter up and then change over to fuel injection. I got some of the bits underneath on the bench there, but it's all locked up. I tried to free it up, put kerosene in and BD40 and all this stuff, but it's solid, so that's scrap. But I have to use the gearbox from this one, and hopefully in a couple of days we have it up and running. And the green one, I got a bit of electric wiring to sort out and little things. We get there. Okay, catch you later. Have a good day. I'm gonna put the motor in today with in the oven and in my homemade kids swing set. But I do the job. It looks a bit rough, but it's a bit hard with the wheels here digging through dirt. You have to put board underneath. Otherwise it works quite good. But the motor and gearbox is very heavy. So just take my time and one little bit at a time, and I'll upload you later on when I get it running. There might be a couple of days or so. I'll catch you later. Take care. And let's see.